accidentally deleted WhatsApp photos on your Samsung? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to recover them. Way 1. How to recover deleted WhatsApp photos on Samsung via Android data recovery. Many Samsung users lose WhatsApp photos without backups and fail with other methods. Android data recovery is a professional tool to recover deleted WhatsApp images easily. Step 1. Start Android data recovery on your computer. Install and launch the program on your computer and link your Samsung to it via USB cable. This software will automatically detect the device. Here, you can directly go to the Android data recovery mode. Step 2. Mark WhatsApp attachments for scanning. Enable USB debugging on Samsung when a pop-up appears on your phone. Then, you'll see a window that lets you select the file types you wish to restore. Now, check WhatsApp attachments and tap on Next. Step 3. Recover deleted Samsung photos from WhatsApp. Soon, all your WhatsApp photos will be scanned out. You can then preview and choose the detailed items for recovery. Finally, click on Recover to save them onto this computer. Way 2. How to recover deleted WhatsApp images on Samsung from phone storage. Open Files by Google on Samsung. Tap Files Internal Storage WhatsApp Media. Select WhatsApp images to view sent and received photos. Way 3. How to recover deleted Samsung photos in WhatsApp from auto backup. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Verify your number and choose Restore when prompted. Your backed up photos, videos, and chats will be restored. Way 4. How to get deleted photos from WhatsApp on Samsung via Google Drive. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Sign in with the same account. Tap Restore to recover chats and photos. Way 5. How to recover deleted WhatsApp images on Samsung from Interlocutors. Check if the recipient still has a copy of the deleted photo. You can ask them to resend it or share it through Google Drive or Google Photos. Note that Delete for Me only removes the photo from your device. FAQs for recovering deleted WhatsApp images from Samsung. Q1. How to back up WhatsApp images from Samsung to computer. To prevent WhatsApp data loss, use Mobican WhatsApp Recovery for Android to back up messages, photos, videos, files, and more with one click safely. How to use. Step 1. Install Mobican WhatsApp Recovery for Android. Connect your Samsung phone via USB and launch the program to detect your device. Step 2. Once your device is detected, the backup process will begin automatically. During the backup process, you need to follow the instructions on the screen to turn on end-to-end encryption for your WhatsApp backup. Step 3. Once completing the end-to-end encryption, encrypted backup for your WhatsApp data will be created on the computer. Step 4. Once the backup is complete, select WhatsApp attachments from the list of data types and then select images from the main window for backup. Step 5. After selecting the images, click on the Recover to Computer button. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to save the WhatsApp images and click on OK. Q2. Where are WhatsApp images stored? In WhatsApp Media, WhatsApp Images, or Google Photos. Q3. Can trash recover deleted photos? Only gallery deleted photos. Others need backups or recovery tools. Q4. How long can photos be recovered? Only from storage, backups, or cloud copies. Q5. Does recovery overwrite data? Backup restores may replace current chats. Q6. How to prevent photo loss? Enable backups and keep enough storage.